Hello, my name is Prince Sisu, co-founder of the Prince and Princess Academy project team, and we are currently installing programs on the computers that we have acquired for the school. We wish to extend our gratitude to everyone who is supporting the Prince and Princess Academy project team, and we hope you continue to support the project as we plan to expand the school, create more classrooms. And there is one classroom that we want to lay tiles in the classroom. This is the kindergarten classroom, and it has no floor tiles. We wish to appeal to our supporters so we can raise funds to lay floor tiles in the classroom. And laying floor tiles in the classroom will cost $280. We are also trying to raise funds to buy learning materials such as markers, pencils, exercise books, storybooks, computers, and many more. And we also want to raise funds to expand the school so we can have more classrooms to accommodate more students. Thank you very much for supporting the Prince and Princess Academy project team. Have a nice day and enjoy the video. Bye bye.
Now, another one. What else? Yeah, it's a beautiful brand new day. My son in Yakopa WhatsApp, we really go reply Tuesday. Me that's what think we man mean with yeah, that be the taste of grace. I see me so below na me no more better than any ace of spade. Me she wanna go for create some space, cause it gets some weight. Bug my willing James. Omo mo fi se sikamba mu se mo da no ya kama monte. Say ya som na me bia ni pe bia to me ne me ya twema mentwe. Wo bompa ye via ni aka ne de ne dia koda na ade nche. Na nenya me se me shiwa de sija so a ma sense na me pe kanzo.
Everybody give glory. Yes to when I'm your mini nani. I don't want me. See your baby. It's the other baby. Jojo. I dey give you praise, oh bro. Jojo. You deserve all the glory, bro.
You know I used to put the blame on God. Now me mama turn force, but still I me pray turn forward. I feel na me hunya wonya me ya mama no ga for try comport. Cause madam for na woje dada bi, ne mama ne papa wo bi na wo turn jot. Wo wi ade ma ye che ne wo port. Me kai me the J mu ehye ne gu abanso. Pampanyi ne fu so ka sembi. So woni pada se ni bia ho onenso. Ye se me ne aban ne wo wantwi. Na se dum so bae na me kan ya. Inflation crash on me bosso. Inti ende se me da kanem na me mbabe ko school free dia. Ene me tuche mama mo fa me born nche na toa so.
Everybody give glory. Yes to when I'm your mini nani. I don't want me. See your baby. It's the other baby. Jojo. I dey give you praise, oh bro. Jojo.
Tell me you never fear.
You deserve all the glory, bro.
Charlie, bunko to gena kompai boom. Ebiana bibi wo ho a wo pese wonya mesesa wo bra boom. Yes. Obrani yesuku anka wonu paka waka wo saitom. Forget ni panado ye bi na wo be ya ye ne wo dom. Omo pese ye damudu ko wo mbo mu ni mu ni wo cause ye be pape. Na ya start ediasa na saboni nkuma sase. Twa wona se na wa passe. They give it to call the bana wakati. I want member wa him doggy. To wadwimo na kodanya me be sorti. Nya Yehovah hye da we ni mu no masa se we ni boss pa one time we be shock.
You see the vibe and the control, and now the blessings the flow, yeah. Thank you, Mary. Yes.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for camel.
I give you praise, oh bro.
The battle is still the Lord's. G on the mix.
Is that what the glory, bro?
is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for camel, camel. D is for doll, doll. E is for elbow, elbow. F is
4 R's. So if a child has a proper appreciation, if a child receives the right stimulation around the 4 R's, it means that that child is going to grow up to be an astute, strong, and formidable and tenacious graduate or academic. The impact in society will be great. It's sad that teachers teach and they have no regard for the impact of the 4 R's on the foundation they are laying or on what they are building on. So if you pick a child from primary 2 or 3, and in terms of the 4 R's, the child is lacking, the foundation will certainly, the building will certainly be shaky because the foundation is not right. What are these 4 R's? What are these 4 R's? 1. Everyone, reading. Reading. Can you see that it has an R here? Can you see it? The second R is writing. Is there an R there? Is there an R there? Good.
Foot. G is for goldfish, goldfish. H is for hand, hand. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jar,